Most Filipino breadwinners think na ang pinakamahirap na stage of building wealth is getting out of debt or utang. Pero hindi nila nare-realize na mas marami ang trapped in stage 3. Ano ba ito? So hi, I'm a mom of 3 and a breadwinner building a 60 million peso portfolio. I am sharing my own journey in building our family's wealth. And after discussing how to buy future days, where I simplified how to understand your retirement number, making sure you understand how to protect it, and its difference with your emergency fund, and then knowing your risk profile as you navigate the world of investing. Ngayon naman, let's discuss the 7 stages of wealth. It's important to know kung nasan nga ba tayo sa ating wealth journey para maintindihan kung ano yung goal, and then we can decide how to move forward. So the first stage is survival. Dito, we are operating on a negative cash flow or baon ka pa sa utang. Yung tipong uutang ka na to survive to the next payday. Next stage, stage 2 is stability or living paycheck to paycheck era. Tawid ka na kumbaga, walang bagong utang pero wala pang sobra para maipon. Stage 3 is accumulation. Dito, may konting sobrang pera ka na para magsimulang mag-ipon at mag-invest. Dito usually tayo nakakapagtabi ng unti-unti. Pero for me, medyo mas natagalan ako na makamove from stability to accumulation kasi it gives you a false sense of sapat na. If may mentality ka pa na money is evil, pwede talagang mag-stop ka na din dito kasi you make ends meet. Kung di ka mawawala ng work, sakto na talaga tayo. Pero na-realize ko na ang pinaka-mahirap itawid is from accumulation to the next stage, which is security. Kasi kapag nagkaroon ka na ng little excess money, dito na pumapasok yung mga comfort trap. Yan. Dahil hindi ka na naghahabol sa utang at nakakain ka na ng maayos, may naitatabing konting pera, so pwede na siguro ng luho. Yan, magta-travel, bibili ng mga gamit, and magkakaroon ng I deserve this mentality. Kasi, ang tagal ang hirap mo, diba? Tinaanan mo yung survival and stability, accumulation, tapos ano pang next? Okay ka na naman. So, dahil hindi ka na naghahabol nga dun sa mga utang na yan, bakit hindi mo naman pwedeng i-enjoy muna, diba? Lalo na ngayon na you can see everything in social media. Dito madalas mas stuck yung marami. Now, let's proceed to discussing stage 4. Dito kasi, technically, meron ka ng buong emergency fund at hindi ka na nakadepende sa susunod na sahod mo para lang mabuhay. Pero kailangan mo pa rin magtrabaho. Hindi ka pa free. Yan. Security is not freedom. Ang akala ng marami kapag may ipon ka na sa bangko ay malaya ka na. Pero ang hindi natin namamalayan is nakatali pa rin tayo sa ating trabaho. If hindi tayo makabuild ng functioning wealth engine. Yan. So technically doon nagsastop yung mga tao kasi this is okay. Ngayon, yung next stages, maa-unlock lang ito if nakabuild ka na ng wealth engine mo through perhaps investing or your own business. So ano ba yung stage 5? Stage 5 is independence. Yung tipong may kinikita ka na mula dun sa iyong mga investments or business at kaya na nitong bayaran yung part ng income mo. Meaning, if hindi ka mag-work, survivable na kahit paano with everything you have in place. Pero portion lang, hindi pa full. Now, going to stage 6 is freedom. You are no longer relying on your income to survive. Pwede ka nang mag-retire. Actually, pwede ka nang huminto at this point. Achieve na yan. Pero wait, there's more. Yung last stage, talagang ito na yung you made it. Bonus stage na talaga to for most people. Is kapag na-build mo na siya to the point na you have built generational wealth na, which would protect your children. And kahit wala ka na, mag-generate pa rin to ng income for them. Yan. So the key takeaway here is, hindi naman required for you to reach every level. May iba nga na nagsiskip yung hindi na nila dadaanan yung ibang levels kasi meron silang help. Pero if malalaman mo where you are right now, and hindi pa yan yung goal mong level or end stage, idaanan mo lang siya. Huwag mong tambayan. Kayo groupmates, sa 7 stages na to, sa tingin nyo, nasa na kayo right now? And anong stage yung gusto nyo ma-achieve? Let me know in the comments below, and that's the update for today, groupmates. See you on the next one.